There was a time that I went through airports, like rushing to catch a bus or waiting at a bus shelter for the next bus. Psychologically, these transit places for departures and arrivals have a great emotional swing that can be felt over the distance and speed of a jetliner that the mind translates as a jet lag. While traveling in the air, with that subtle feeling that one left a part of oneself behind, in that moment of the past, while heading towards the future, out there with something for the grabs, in these moments, going through that migration tube, imagine for a moment being that migrating bird. We haven't lost that migrating sense, we have just forgotten to use the tools, overwhelmed by the busy world that birds don't take notice of. High in the sky is the best of the present moment in our lives. We believe the worst is behind and place our hopes in the future up front. Weren't we such escapists from the layers of our past, the tourist industry wouldn't flare as it does, airports wouldn't have the growing traffic, and we wouldn't have been given the wings that nature swayed from humans in providing.